Hey, Bear Bear. Hey, Bear. Well, we made it. We're here. New Shady Rest Campground. Woohoo! The cool mountain air. Time to settle in. Guess what time it is? Oh yeah. Dinner's in the oven. Smells good in here. The wind is howling outside. We had a good day. All right, so the foil pockets are ready to go. This is a hobo pocket. It has hamburger meat and potatoes and onions and corn and peas. And we got a little ketchup for it there. It's gonna be good. So how is it?
It's really good. It's every bit as good as I thought it would be.
Awesome. I'm gonna dig in. The wind in the trees. Look at that. Sound asleep? The best part of waking up. Coffee's almost ready.
Okay, so for those of you who don't know what a bear box is, this is just a quick video to show you what these things are for. This is the bear box at our campsite right now, and it's pretty awesome because it's really big and you can put all your stuff in there, all your food, your cooler and everything. So this is what it looks like. It's designed obviously to keep the bears out. So what you do is just go up under here and lift up on that little latch, and that opens the door, and that door swings open. And then as you can see, this one's super roomy inside. We've got our cooler, plus we have a plastic tub that locks down. So all of our stuff is in here. We don't really keep much inside the scamp because it's better to keep it all here inside the bear box. It's best not to even leave anything in your car. So you got to use these bear boxes, and then you also have to be very careful about your trash. As soon as you have some trash that's like food related, it's good to get that to the dumpster. And the dumpsters here also have a similar locking device on the door that opens up that you put the trash in. So these bear boxes are pretty handy, and you definitely need to use them because the bears will find your stuff. As I mentioned, This bear box is really big, so you shouldn't have any trouble getting all your stuff in there. And they say it's good to even put things like shampoo and toothpaste in there, because bears are attracted to that stuff as well. So use your bear box and don't get a citation.
We had a loungy, lazy breakfast morning, nice and sunny and warm. What's on the agenda for today?
More of the same.
Perfect weather. Shorts weather. It's hard to believe it was snowing a couple of nights ago. There's Vada. Vada had a busy day today. Busy couple of days, huh, baby? What did we do yesterday? We went to Bodie, didn't we? Yes, we did. We walked all over the ghost town, put on some miles. Yeah, that's what he thinks about Bodie. Yeah, but after that, where'd we go? Vada. Nope, he doesn't care. Good night, old man. Tin Can Travelers, shout out to you. They made our stay awesome, and we got to meet them on our way out. So we moved on after that. We went to the place we're at now, and this place is really cool too. It's got a very old-fashioned campy kind of vibe to it. You can see that we have our spot. It's very spacious. It's like actually the size of 3 spots. I'm just looking out the door right now. Sitting in the doorway of this camp, trying to get things recapped before I forget the details. Anyways, I would say also, if you are looking for a family-friendly camping experience at Mammoth Lakes, I would recommend Camp High Sierra for sure. And they have a nice loop. The kids are out riding bikes after dinner right now. Yeah, very respectful, very clean, very accommodating. 2 thumbs up here.